surprise day. Why is that? Because 10th day in our 21 days challenge. Today, 10th day. Today I am going to give you an exam. Yes, exam. You can send the answers in this mail address or the Facebook page. Best of luck. Do your best. How's the exam? Good? Okay, very good. Send me the answers in this email address or the Facebook page. Star shines to be smart, okay? Yes, in this mail address or Facebook page. Before 16th December 2020. Okay? Right. And give me your feedback. Yes, feedback. Here there are emojis and numbers. In the comment box, you can put the emoji or the numbers. Okay, very good. Okay, write 1. Good, write 2 in the comment box. Okay? Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and share it with others. Be an example.